and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a cook and clean with me video for you guys. We are going to go ahead and cook some dinner for this family, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my mess and kind of show you my nighttime routine or my like after dark clean with me when I get a chance to clean at night after dinner. And before we get started, I do want to mention that I have teamed up with HelloFresh so I can bring you some of their yummy meals tonight. So basically what HelloFresh is that you can actually go onto their website and you can sign up and pick out a couple of their meals and have them shipped right to your door. So the real fun thing about it is that the products are actually organized into like individual bags and containers. If you need a garlic, you need one whole garlic, they provide you with one whole garlic for that meal. If you need 4 pieces of chicken breast, then they have everything measured out so you're not like going to the store and overspending, but then you're not wondering like in your kitchen, do you have this ingredients for this recipe? So it's super convenient. It helps kind of teach you how to cook different meals that you have maybe never tried to cook before. All the meals I've ever had with them, I really enjoyed them. My whole family loved them. They taste really good. So I'm really excited because these 3 meals that we got this time are actually new meals to try, and I'm really excited because I don't have time to go to the grocery store all the time, and this is gonna make things a lot easier for this week. So I do have a coupon code that will be in the description box, so if you wanna try them for the first time, or if you just wanna use that coupon code, you can get some money off of your kit. And then I'm gonna just jump in and go ahead and show you guys the different options. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what comes in the box, just in case you've never seen it before. It is super awesome. Basically your box shows up on your porch, and then it has like this, I don't know, what would you call this, babe? Foil. I know it's foil. It basically like, it's an insulator, right? Insulator. So it'll keep everything cold just in case you're not home when the box delivers. So we have the chili loaded sweet potatoes with Monterey with Monterey Jack and hot sauce creme, which looks really good. And then Parmesan crusted chicken with creamy lemon tomato spaghetti. This Za'atara chicken and couscous with lemon, creme, and spinach. If I said any of these wrong, you guys can correct me in the comments. Everything looks super yummy, and these are all new recipes for me that we haven't tried yet. So we're all super excited. So we have all 3 bags individually packaged for each of the meals, which is super awesome, super easy just to tuck in your fridge. And when you decide to cook the other ones the next day or for lunch or whatever, then you will have everything organized and ready. Also, it comes with like these huge ice packs that are recyclable, and they keep everything cold just in case that you didn't get to your package right away. And then inside we have all of the meats. Okay, yum, surprising. No. So today we're gonna go ahead and do the chili loaded sweet potatoes, and hubby just picked that out, which is super surprising to me because I didn't think he cared for sweet potatoes, but it does sound good because it's like healthy with a twist with some chili. So the really nice thing about it is that these meals are gonna be super quick to cook because they are already packed. You might do a little bit of cutting, but everything is there for you, so you get it done really quick. So we're gonna be eating super fast. So I'm going to go ahead and store all of the leftovers in containers so I can take it with me for lunch the next day. So what I like to do is kind of clean out the sink when I get ready to fill it up with like hot soapy water, and that way I can just throw all the dishes in there and they can kind of soak, so it makes it easier for me to clean.
But I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end up.
And now I'm going to go ahead and clean the chairs just because they're white and they really needed a good wipe down.
Waiting for so long. I'm waiting.
And I did get these flowers from my dear friend Amanda from This Crazy Life. She sent them when I injured my back. It was so super sweet of her. I just love her. You guys should definitely go and check out her channel.
But if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go.
So what I like to do is go ahead and clean the pots and pans and like any like bigger dishes and just put them on my dish mat just so it saves room in the dishwasher, and it just lets the dishes in the dishwasher get a better clean when not so much is packed in there.
But if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, I don't.
So what I like to do at night is go ahead and clean out my sink really good, just from it having like dishes and food and all of that stuff in it all day, and it just makes like the kitchen really refreshing and clean, and I just love that feeling when it's all shiny and dry. So that is what I am doing here. And I am just starting out with soapy water and just giving it a good scrub down, and then I'll go ahead and go in with a product that really shines the stainless steel.
I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. Where are you? What's up? What's going on? Simple truth, I'm low.
So now I'm going to go ahead and just start putting things away that we had on the counter and just kind of clear off our counter space. I really like it when there's less things on the counter. It just makes it feel more like less cluttery. So now we're going to go ahead and start picking up the living room. I did just injure my back, so that is why I look like that when I go and pick things up. I just kind of have to pick up things to the side sometimes. I am going to go in with my Caldrea spray. It's like a countertop spray. It doesn't like do a great job at cleaning or anything. It's just mostly to like wipe everything down, and it gives it the most amazing smell ever. This is my favorite one. I also have the yellow bottle. I forget the name of that, but this one is definitely my favorite scent out of all the Caldrea sprays. Touching the stars, touching the stars. Alright, you guys, so that is all I have tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go and leave them in the comment. I love chatting with you guys there. If you're new, go ahead and consider subscribing, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!